In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to grow a car theme page on Instagram. If you are looking for updated methods on how to grow a car theme page on Instagram, you came to the right place. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. If you're just discovering one of my videos and this channel, my name's Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I also put this disclaimer at the start of every one of my videos to say that I'm not selling you guys a product or a course anywhere throughout this video or any of my other videos. In fact, that's not me. Instead, all I ask is that you go down below, smash the like button and comment some video ideas for me. Commenting video ideas helps me see what you guys want from me in the future, so that would be really helpful. So yeah, that's enough rambling from me. Let's get straight into the video now. So first of all, let's talk about my experiences of growing a car theme page. So I own these two theme pages, this one and also this one. And my experiences have been pretty good with these pages, not gonna lie. So this one has taken me about a year to grow, and this one has taken me about 8 months to grow. My smaller page is my long-term page for some reason. You guys may be a bit confused by that, but it has a lot more potential to grow big. This is because it is in a bit of a wider niche, as it's the whole of the Japanese cars, not just a singular car like my bigger page. If you niche down to just a singular car like my bigger page, you do have potential to grow really quickly, but it may not be as big as an account in the long term. Engagement rates are quite low in this niche, but it's not a big problem. If you see that your engagement rates are low as well, this is just normal for this niche. This niche is pretty good to start in because you can grow very quickly, very easily, and you can make a lot of money doing it. I would recommend you do dropshipping if you're going to find a way to monetize this Instagram page. It should be dropshipping or affiliate marketing. You can't sell courses, you can sell shoutouts, but you should be doing shoutouts and dropshipping hand by hand. So let's talk a little bit further into the bad engagement rates in this niche. If your engagement rate is between 2% and 5%, that is exactly normal for this niche. You will start by seeing a really big engagement rate such as 30% and 40%, but then it will really quickly decrease when you get a bigger following. This is normal for most niches, but this niche does go quite low with the engagement rate, so do not be scared or do not be like panicking if your engagement rate is quite low. That is normal. So first of all, you want to pick a username. Your username should have no dots or underscores in it or numbers. This is so it's appealing to the eye and is just one solid word. Your actual username should be catchy and easy to remember and understand. This is so people can come back and remember, oh, I searched for this page, type it in, and they'll remember it because it's easy and catchy. You want to get people coming back continuously to your page. You don't want them to be just a one-time viewer, because that is when your page starts to die. So next, you want to think about setting your profile up correctly. This includes your bio, your profile picture, and your highlights section. So first of all, let's talk about your bio. Here's an example of the bio I have on my page. This follows the emoji and then a line and then a sentence layout. I also have on the fourth line of every single one of my bios a call to action. Call to action is when you're encouraging your audience to engage with your post, whether that's to share, like, or save. A save on Instagram is pretty much a super like, so if you can get your audience to save it, that is perfect. So next, let's talk about your profile picture. So as you can see on both of my pages, my profile pictures are very easy to understand and self-explanatory. You do not want your audience to be guessing what your profile picture means. This leaves them questioning a lot of things and questioning whether they're even in the right niche as what they want to be following. You want to make it easy to understand and they get it straight away. Now your highlights section. People skip this and think it doesn't matter, but it really does. Your highlights section provides extra value and extra content to your audience. You can use this as a way to boost your engagement a little as well on your stories by using polls, questions, or hidden hashtags. These three are the main three story strategies that you should be using to boost your engagement for your stories. You also see a spike of views in your stories as well once you start using these strategies, which is good. So another strategy let's talk about is your hashtag strategy. You should have between 3 and 6 hashtag sets that you can switch between. Each hashtag set must contain 30 hashtags, and each individual hashtag must have between 10,000 and 80,000 posts on it. This is so it's not too small for you to not grow from it, not too big for you to not be competing with the big guys in it. There's a lot of potential in this, so you will see your account be getting some hashtag views now. But as I said before, you need to have between 3 and 6 hashtag sets to switch between so that you can do it for all your posts. This is so if one hashtag set does not work, you can just switch it to another one and keep going around until they all work. So once you've found them 3 to 6 hashtag sets that work, you can just switch between them and they will all work. This is so you are hitting different audiences and hitting different people to be able to follow you. So yeah, make sure to do that for your hashtag strategy. So next, let's talk about scheduling your posts. So to schedule your posts, you need to create a Facebook page. You need to connect that Facebook page to your Instagram account through settings and edit profile. Once you've done that, go into a desktop or Mac device and Google Facebook Creator Studio. Once you've done that, log in and add your Instagram accounts to it by clicking the top bit. And from here, you need to add a Chrome extension, which is called the Instagram downloader. Therefore, when you're on Instagram, you can press the download button, it will save to your device, and you can schedule your posts up to 6 months ahead. This is really useful for long term because you will never miss out on a post, as you can schedule up to 6 months ahead. So I do not want to hear any excuses that you guys do not have enough time to be posting to your Instagram theme page. You do. Also, along with this, for your reels, because Facebook Creator Studio does not let you schedule your reels Reels, so you will need to save them as drafts on your Instagram account itself. So this needs to be done on the mobile device, and I'll put a picture up here as to where your drafts are. What I like to do is I like to create batches of drafts so I don't have to keep doing them one by one, and therefore when you need to post a draft, then you can just click it and press share, and all your stuff will be ready for you, and you won't need to do anything, say if you're on the rush. So yeah, these two are the ones that I would recommend for when you're scheduling and automating your posts. I have made another video talking about this specifically, so if you would like to, feel free to check out that one as well. I'll link it down below. Now let's talk about how much content you should be posting and when you should be posting it. I recommend posting 5 feed posts per day and then 2 reels on top of that. Your feed posts should be uploaded at 9 AM, 12 AM, 3 PM, 6 PM and 9 PM. This is so you're hitting all times of the day, so you do not exclude any audiences from different countries. And your reels should be posted at 4 PM and 6 PM. This is how you're hitting the optimal times for your reels, which is when you'll see the most growth, because reels are very, very beneficial to your page. Reels are probably going to be the main thing that is going to blow your account up. I saw a reel hit 4 million views on my account, and that took it from 0 to 10,000 followers in 1 week. I did make a separate video talking about how I did that, so feel free to check that out as well. The actual content that you should be posting should be viral content. Viral content is content that has done well and performed well on other pages that you can repost. If you're wanting to see some really good growth in the car niche, then you should be using viral content as a way to explode your page on reels and both feed posts. So let's talk about stories a little further. So stories, you should be posting at least one every 24 hours. And when you're posting that one story or more, you should be using your 3 story strategies that I mentioned before. I'll recap it again. This is the hidden hashtag strategy, the poll strategy, and the question strategy. The ones I like most are the poll and the questions one, but I do use the hidden hashtag one every so often to boost my story views and story engagement. So make sure you're keeping consistent with your stories and posting one every 24 hours at least. Now wait, have you guys liked the video yet? If you haven't already, please go down below and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This helps my videos to be promoted to a wider audience and increases my follower count. So yeah, cheers guys. Now back into the video now. Let's talk about some growth strategies that worked really, really well for me. You want to be starting with mainly the follow strategy. This is where you are going onto a page that is bigger than you in the same niche. You're seeing what posts they posted in the last half an hour. You're clicking who liked it, and you're following 150 of those per day. I recommend that you follow accounts that aren't private because they're a lot more likely to follow you back, and it's a lot easier when you're unfollowing them in the end. This works really well, and you should be doing this up to between 3,000 to 5,000 followers. At that point, you should be unfollowing them all. Then once you reach that 3,000 to 5,000 follower mark, you should be going on to do the $80 strategy a lot more. Your $80 strategy translates into leaving your 2 cents on 90 pieces of content per day. This pretty much means you need to be going to 10 different hashtags that relate to your niche and commenting on 9 different posts for each of them. What you should be commenting is nice stuff that increases the value on the post, not just something like, oh,
really nice post, man, this is great.
That just won't help at all. So you should be doing this for a few months until you start to receive really good organic growth. Then you don't really need to do any sort of strategies to improve your growth. Instagram will do it all for you using the algorithm. Just keep posting viral content. So now it's the time to talk about why you should be posting videos more than your photos. For some reason, the Instagram algorithm favors posts of videos more than photos. So you should be posting mainly videos, not as many photos, but you should still be posting some photos. This is because some people will prefer photos, so you do not want to push them away from your channel. So yeah, focus on your reels and your video feed posts. So now let's talk about actually ways to monetize your car page. The 3 ways that I recommend you make money from your car page would be through 1, drop shipping, 2, affiliate marketing, and number 3, shoutouts. I put a diagram up, but drop shipping is pretty much where you're building a Shopify store around an AliExpress product. You're then promoting this Shopify store to your audience on Instagram. Then when someone from your audience on Instagram purchases your product from your Shopify store, you ship it straight from AliExpress all the way to your follower on Instagram. This is very profitable, and you can pretty much keep all the money in between because you won't need to pay advertising fees. This is because you own the page, so we therefore will not need to purchase any other shoutouts from any other additional pages. Unless you want to scale up, then I would suggest posting shoutouts from other pages as well, but you do not need to do this to begin with. I recommend if you actually want to build a brand around your dropshipping store that you do scale up. Therefore, I would suggest making a page, building it, promoting it on your dropshipping store, so then you can make more money from it, and then you can put that money into buying shoutouts from other pages, and just keep that cycle going around until you're completely scaling up. You do need to have a few skills to be good at dropshipping though. This includes website design, marketing, and advertising. So if you have these 3 skills and it sounds like it'd be good to you, then give it a go. If you do also want to see a dropshipping video by me in the future, then feel free to comment that down below. I'll be happy to do that. Okay, so number 2 would be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty much where you're promoting someone else's dropshipping store and getting commission every time someone purchases through your unique referral link. I've tried this out for the last few months and it's been okay. It hasn't been as good as dropshipping, but there are some very good pros to affiliate marketing over dropshipping. The main one would be that there's no risk involved, as you do not actually have to put any money into it. It's all straight profit for you, and it gets other people money as well. So there's quite a lot of dropshipping and referral links that you can use. ClickBank works pretty well for this, and there's also an app called the Plug app, which is okay. Plug app is pretty much where you're promoting other apps to get revenue from it as well. Every time someone downloads the app through your link, then you get paid for it. So number 3, the third way of making money from your Instagram theme page as a car page would be through shoutouts. I recommend charging £20 per shoutout so that you do not flood your page with ads, but then you occasionally get some shoutouts to be purchased from you, so you will still make money from it. So yeah guys, I think the main point that you should take from this video is to actually keep consistent with all of these strategies. Otherwise it's a make or break situation and you will not grow, or you're going to succeed a lot. So just make sure you stick to it and you will see the growth you're expecting. So now we're at the end of the video guys, and I've noticed only about 10% of my audience are actually subscribed. It means the world to me guys if you went down below, smash the subscribe button, also smash the like button while you're there as well. This boosts my video and my channel out to a wider audience, which helps me grow. So yeah, that's all from me guys. If you want to see another video from myself, then feel free to stay to the end of this video. So yeah, I'll see you there guys. Cheers.